Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Lexus CT 200h. Eco-chic cruising, experience the 2013 Lexus Cord 200h today. This four-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 129,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 43 miles per gallon in the city, and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Sleek, stylish, and eco-friendly, drive the 2013 Lexus Cord 200h today. With its 1.8L hybrid i4 134 HP engine, you'll cruise in style while being kind to the planet. Loaded with luxurious black leather seats, power features, and a killer sound system, it's the envy of all. With impressive gas mileage of 43 mpg city and 40 highway, you'll save at the pump without sacrificing style. Plus, with a clean Carfax report and just one previous owner, it's a true gem. Don't miss out, test drive now. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.